Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll tell you how to fix your following too fast on TikTok problem. If the message saying that you're unable to follow an account appears on your TikTok screen, it means that you have followed too many people. Follow these steps and you will find out how you can solve this issue. Firstly, it is important to mention that you can be temporarily disallowed to follow any TikTok user for half an hour, 2 hours, 10 hours, or even up to 3 days. What you need to do is to stop following people blindly. Instead, follow 10 to 15 people with 5 to 10 seconds delay for each follow. Then rest for 15 to 20 minutes and repeat again your actions. However, while pressing the follow button next to user's name, don't forget to like, leave comments on their videos, and upload your own engaging content. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to fix your following too fast on TikTok problem. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.